This is 106.1 KYVZ. Good Friday morning. Joe Vazuric visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, some very much needed precipitation fell yesterday.
Yeah, Joe, we got some nice rainfall that came in here in a couple waves yesterday afternoon and continued into the around the midnight time frame before it lifted out of here. And we still got a little bit of precipitation hanging out there today. What we picked up, if you were pretty much to the west of Highway 83, you saw amounts that ranged from a quarter inch kind of along that highway, and you started getting to Rawlins County. We started seeing those heavier amounts of an inch or an inch plus as you kind of worked your way into Cheyenne County. Those areas definitely needed the rainfall. Some of us were, particularly Rawlins, Thomas County, and then you get to Sherman south of I-70, and anything to the east, we're in some abnormally dry to moderate drought classification. Cheyenne County, northern Sherman County, that area along the Three Corners area, has been catching rains, and they've been hanging in there with no drought classification. And these areas, again, saw some improvement here with this rainfall. It was very timely and needed. However, the rest of the state didn't see much activity other than some severe weather and stuff on the eastern side, and we continue to be dry. We do got some effect of this trough that's been hanging out west and a front that is stalled over the area today. That cold front will be stationary, pretty much running through Goodland upwards to McCook. Everything to the north of that and west of that has a north breeze at 10 miles per hour. Everything to the other side of it still is southeast at 10 miles per hour. And as that front and low tries to swings through Oklahoma, Texas, and takes a south route, we'll see that front come through and precipitation will linger on. With this morning's precip, we got fog advisory out there to the west of Highway 27, all those counties along the Kansas line, and then out in Colorado until 11 a.m. Mountain Time or noon Central, and then places to the east of it, we're reporting fog in Oberlin, Atwood, and Colby, but it's not the dense variety of that quarter to a half-mile visibility. Then we got drizzle being reported everywhere else, and it'll continue to be a foggy, cloudy, drizzly morning. And then rain will develop along and south of that front as it moves through. We're looking at a line from Cheyenne Wells to Norton. You get to the south and east of that this afternoon, you have steadier rain showers, could pick up 20, 40 points of moisture. Those of us behind it will be just a few points to 1500s. As far as temperatures go, we're starting out in the upper 30s this morning. The coldest reading is 35 in Burlington. We got 39 in Goodland. Low 40s on Highway 25 here in Atwood, Colby, 40 to 42. And then you get the 45-degree readings out there in Norton and McCook. That'll be hold steady through the day with the cold front coming through. The winds will increase at 15 to 25 this afternoon with gusts 35 this evening and overnight as that system pulls out. We'll see overnight lows drop in the 25 to 30 degree range. Tomorrow will start off cloudy, clearing in the afternoon. Will be chilly with northwesterly breezes at 15 to 30 miles per hour. Highs will be in that upper 40s, maybe hitting 50 degrees out west with the sunshine. And then we'll see another night of low temperatures below freezing. And then starting on Sunday, Monday and Tuesday, high pressure builds out to the west. We got northwesterly flow. We'll see temperatures climb into the mid-60s on Sunday, heading towards the low 70s for Monday, Tuesday. And then as that ridge builds and high pressure moves across the country, all of next week will be dry. Temperatures there Wednesday, Thursday, Friday start going in the middle to upper 70s to around 80 as the winds turn back to the southwest. So this northwest-southwest flow could be breezy at times, maybe even gusty, 30 to 40 miles per hour on some of those days. So that will bring back the drought and the elevated fire potential and that for these places that did not get rain into our east and in southwest Kansas and in central and north central Kansas. Looking longer range, when will it rain? Because we're going to be heading into springtime and field work. Looks like we'll be dry probably through the next weekend, but then indication is another trough similar to this one coming from the west, maybe hanging around for a while, the 14th to the 18th, maybe giving us some more rain and being timely to what we're dealing with, kind of hanging on to that drought. And
Once again, that's Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Vazurek.